Ah, oh my goodness. It smells so good. Oh god. It smells so nice. Like when you use it on your body, you feel this sweet sensation running down your spine. You feel so good, so smooth. You feel so, oh my goodness. God help me. God help me. I love this scrub. I don't know why I love it, but it's so nice. The way it moisturizes the skin. Oh, this is so, oh my. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Peggy Skincare. If you're here for the first time, please click the red subscription button below, thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell. That way whenever I post, you'll be the first to watch. So welcome once again to this family. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for the love. The love has been so massive. Thank you for everything you do, for your patronage. This period has been very hard for us, Nigeria, and I hope you went out there to vote. I did. It was so hectic, but I did. I hope you actually made the right choice by voting the right person. Yeah. So we pray that everything will come out right. So it is raining. Are you serious? Wow. It's actually raining right now. Okay, we thank God for fresh start. So today I do not want to waste your time. I'll try my best to make this video very short. So here's the thing. So I want to talk about body scrubs in which you can promix into various kinds of scrub, like your whitening scrub, like your deep exfoliating scrub, like your polish scrub, and so on. Okay, so I'll be talking more of salt scrub, in which you can promix. You can make your sugar scrub for your face and body. If you did not watch the video I posted last week on how to make your whitening sugar scrub with whitening additives, very effective body scrub using sugar for your face and body, please check the description box below for the link or on the screen here. So feel free to click on it. It's going to direct you to the video that I'm talking about. So today basically I'll be talking about body scrubs, familiar products in which you can promix for various reasons. Okay, you all are familiar with Ashanti scrub. Ashanti scrub comes in various types. Okay, you have the milk spa, you have the turmeric, you have the rice, you have so many. You can decide to use any one of your choice. And then the next scrub I want to talk about is, you guys are aware of it, okay, is your cool spa scrub. It comes in different types. Okay, different types, more than 8 types. Okay, the turmeric, the milk, the tamarind, and so on. You can promix that for several reasons. Okay, you can promix for your whitening, you can promix for your exfoliating, you can promix for your polish, and so on. Okay, it has different types. So these listed scrub that I just listed, these are the scrub that you can promix and it will still stay intact without turning watering. Okay, so if you make your body scrub like I said sometime last year, and then you promix your body scrub and it's watery, all you have to do is to add rice powder or oatmeal powder. It's going to turn very thick. Just take 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice powder, add to it depending on the measurement that you're producing. Just add rice powder to it. It's going to become very thick. And of course, the benefits of rice powder on the skin, very effective for skin lightening. Alright, so you can add your rice powder. It's very good. It's going to make it very thick. You understand, right? That is super easy. You can turn a watery scrub into a very thick scrub in no time. Like less than how many minutes, it will turn very thick. If you add too much, it will turn super thick. So another scrub I'll be talking about is your Yoko spa salt. So here is the thing: if you want to make a very deep exfoliating scrub, that is when you can use your Yoko spa scrub. Okay, so your Yoko spa scrub. That scrub is actually very hard. The salt is super hard. Okay, you can't use it directly like that. Of course, most people use it directly like that. Yeah, most people do. But if you want to promix it, you can promix it for a very deep exfoliating scrub. You can turn that, if you're this type that you want something that can take off that dead skin ASAP, that can exfoliate you very deeply, that is when you can go for Yoko spa salt. It comes in different types. Okay, so many, even up more than 10 types. Okay, so you can use any of your choice depending on how you want it to look like. That is when you can decide to use any one of your choice. Depending on how you want it to look like, you can go for that. Okay, the next scrub I'll talk about is your Kojic Spa scrub. That scrub is superb. It kind of look, similar to Ashanti scrub and also Kebu scrub. Yeah, they look alike. Spa lightening scrub, Kebu products, they kind of look alike. But that scrub, oh my goodness, that scrub is actually very effective. Yeah, Kojic Spa body scrub, it's so effective. You don't even need to do too much. You can even rebatch that scrub for a client. If you don't have money to promix that scrub, if you don't have money to promix your scrub, you can rebatch that scrub for your clients. Okay, or you just mix 1 or 2 additives to it and then you're good to go. The scrub I'll be talking about is your R&D scrub. R&D products comes in different types, about almost 5 different types. That scrub is kind of expensive, but my dear, that scrub is actually very effective. Just check the screen for the pictures. Okay, it is actually very effective. You can check the description box. I'll be listing down the scrub mentioned, or I'll drop them on the screen. R&D body scrub is actually very nice. It smells so good. You can rebash that for your clients, or you can promix it for your clients. It is that effective. It comes in tomato. It comes in tomatoes, papaya, carrots, turmeric, dome milks with glutathione, alpha arbutin, and so on. That is a very good body scrub in which you can rebatch it. You don't need to mix anything to it. Just get your container, pour the scrub into it, add your label, and that is it. That is called rebatching. Okay, so here is my newfound favorite. Before I forget, I have a new channel, Everything Zen Up. Please check the description box below. You're going to see the channel link. I beg you, in the name of God, I beg you guys, in God's name, I beg, I'm pleading with you guys, please support your girl. Please go there, check my description box or here on the screen. Please click the link in my description box and subscribe to my new channel. I have great content there. In fact, I have so many great contents there in that new channel. Please support your girl. I sell so many scrub. I've used so many scrub as base in my production, but I don't know why I seem to like these products. Oh my goodness, God help me. I've used so many products. I seem to love these products. It comes in about 4 colors. I don't know why I like these products, but these products, I don't know. God help me. But I don't know why I love these products. This product is just so far. This is my found love. I don't know. I just love this. It's super easy to promix, super easy to work with, very nice on the skin. It moisturizes the skin. It makes the skin feel so great. Like, this is not sponsored video. I'm bringing you guys this review. This product, like, oh my goodness, Essence Bath Salt. This body scrub, oh my goodness, I don't even know. I'm looking for the right words to use. You can rebatch this. You can still make it more effective, more strong by adding your whitening additives. You can add your licorice in it. You can add your kojic dip in it, your steam white in it, any kind of whatever it is you feel like to add to produce this, it's fine. Your rice powder, your oat powder, your concentrate, your oils or whatsoever, you can add to this. Oh my god, I don't know why I just love this product so far. This is my found love. Okay, this is the milk moisturizer, but it's great for anti-aging, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh god, it smells so nice. Like when you use it on your body, you feel this sweet sensation running down your spine. You know, you feel so good, so smooth. You feel so, oh my goodness. God help me. God help me. I love this cup. I don't know why I love it, but it's so nice. The way it moisturizes the skin. Oh, this is so, oh my god. It smells so, like when you use this body scrub on your skin, the smell still stick on your body. It doesn't go away. Maybe it's just because of the smell, but aside that, it's super effective. I can't even, oh my goodness. So like I said, I don't want to make this video long, and it's getting too long already. Okay, by the way, how do you love my skin? Am I glowing? I'm glowing, you know that. I'm looking, my hair is bad. I've been so busy. Like, a customer came into my store few days back, which is on Friday, and stole my phone. Like, responsible man for that matter. A responsible man. In fact, a story for another day. I've tracked the phone, and that phone is in Ikorodu, and I'm here in the island, and the phone is, oh, story for another time. So I've been so busy trying to run around, trying to get another phone, trying to do my SIM, get my my eSIM in my phone, trying to restore my bank app, and so on. It's been so hectic, and I forgot about my hair. So by the grace of God, please don't look at this hair. Look at the skin. Look at them. Listen to the message I'm bringing to you guys. Okay? Please. Okay? Please take care of your skin, no? Take care of your body. If you do not take care of your body, no one will. I love that slogan. I don't know how I love it. I'll keep on saying it. Please take care of yourself. If this video is helpful, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Please, hey Joe, share this video, please. Click the like button, please. Please click the like button for me. See you some other time. Bye.